and only one Dan Agro company. We are a manufacture company located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan county area, where we are manufacturing this kind of agriculture machinery. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saim and I am doing live broadcasting from Dan Agro Company. Dan Agro Company is a manufacture company located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan county area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machines as well. Now, those people actually who had watched our live stream on Facebook or TikTok, and we haven't done a live streaming actually, how much, if you have a price related question, please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Those people who are watching our live stream for the first time, actually we are a manufacture company and we are located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan county area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machinery. And what kind of machinery actually we are manufacturing? We are manufacturing all kind of disc mill machine, all kind of rice mill machine, paddy thresher, cone thresher, silage packing machine, and multiple crop thresher as well. Now, we are a manufacturer company, and all the manufacturer company actually who are making these kind of agriculture machines, they always look for the importers. So we are doing a live stream. Why? Because we are looking for all kind of importers who can import these kind of agriculture machinery and can bring them back to their own country. There are many countries where we already have a dealer, where we already had a partners. Those people are already buying Dan Agro made machinery actually, and they are presenting Dan Agro company in different countries. Dan Agro is actually a partners with more than 33 countries, and those people had bought Dan Agro made machinery. Now, those people who want to buy for their personal use and don't want to import these kind of agriculture machinery, actually we will add our WhatsApp number and WeChat number, and you can add our WhatsApp number and WeChat number, and you can ask us about the local dealer information as well, because Dan Agro is a partner with more than 33 countries. Like there are more than 33 countries who had already bought a Dan Agro made machinery and they are selling in their own country. Now, question is that why Dan Agro company? There are many reasons behind that. And first of all is that they are easy to carry. They are easily portable. And why they are portable actually, I'm gonna go closer and I'm gonna give you a good look. Just give me a second, guys. When I talk about like all the machines made by a Dan Agro company, they are easy to carry from one place to another. Actually, they had provided a universal wheel in all their models, if you can see that. So, with the help of these small tires, actually, you can carry these machines from one place to another place. Other good thing about Dan Agro made machinery is that like they can work on electric motor as well, and they can also work on a diesel engine and gasoline engine as well. When we talk about the gasoline engine and electric motor, we had provided two kind of electric motor. First one is actually 3 HP motor and second one is 3.5 HP motor. Not only motor, we have also provided a gasoline engine as well, and we had also provided a diesel engine as well. But the question is that why we prefer a gasoline engine and why we prefer a diesel engine? Diesel engine is only for those model actually which has the highest capacity and highest productivity rate as well. Now, if we talk about this small model, actually, you don't need a diesel engine for that model, and you only need a gasoline engine, and they can also work on the motor as well. Now, Dawn Agro is actually manufacturing floor mill machine, self-suction pulverizer, disc mill machine, rice mill machine, combined rice mill machine as well. These are not the only machines Dawn Agro is manufacturing. Actually, we are also manufacturing a silage packing machine, cone thresher, paddy thresher, and shaft cutter as well. All kind of shaft cutter with highest capacity and with lowest capacity as well. Our shaft cutter, if we talk about our shaft cutter, even in front of us, we have a different kinds of agriculture machinery made by Dawn Agro company in our rice mill series. We also had a shaft cutter as well. And when we talk about the shaft cutter, actually, we had a different kind of a shaft cutter with different capacity as well. Our lowest model is 9Z 1.0, which has the capacity of 1000 kilogram in 1 hour. And our latest shaft cutter, which we are bringing into the market, has the capacity of 15 ton in 1 hour. Like all the capacity we have mentioned on our machine actually is more than 100% accurate. Now, let's talk about this combined rice mill machine. What is main reason behind making most of the body stainless steel? Those people who had watched our live stream or watched our video on a Facebook or a TikTok, they might know that there are similar model in a combined rice mill machine, which we named at 9FC21SS, which is quite famous in India, Thailand, and Uzbekistan as well. Why we named it a combined rice mill machine? We named it a combined rice mill machine because one machine, two functions. And when I said two functions, it can work for a paddy and rice as well. At the same time, it can also work for a flour mill machine as well. As you can see that this portion is actually belong to a flour mill machine, and that portion is actually belong to a rice mill machine. Now, one machine, both function, can work for a rice mill machine, at the same time can work for a rice mill machine as well. Now the question is that those people actually who want to buy a combined rice mill machine to process their rice, at the same time they are looking for a machine where they can crush or grind all kind of a material. We had also provided a flour mill machine with that. This is not the only one model Dawn Agro is bringing. We also have a single disc mill machine or a flour mill machine as well. For those people actually who want to buy for their personal use and don't want to expand their business into the agriculture market, they can buy even a single model. And when I say a single model, I mean a flour mill machine which can only work for crushing or grinding all kind of material. In a flour mill machine series, we had also provided a self-suction pulverizer as well. So, these self-suction pulverizer actually, what is a main difference between a single flour mill machine and a self-suction pulverizer? There are two main differences, and I'm going to explain. First one is that self-suction pulverizer can grind or crush 400 to 500 kilogram of product in 1 hour. Same, not same use case can work for a grinding or crushing, but the capacity is not as much as this self-suction pulverizer has. This self-suction pulverizer has the capacity from 400 to 500 kilogram. It can work on a motor as well, and it can work on a gasoline engine as well. Now, if we talk about these two models, actually the interior of these two models is quite different as compared to the single flour mill machine, or you can say that a disc mill machine as well. those people who actually want to buy a machine to grind all kind of a material, but at the same time want to process a rice, this combined rice mill machine is the best option for them. If you have seen our video on a Facebook or YouTube or even a TikTok, you might know that we are using a rice separating screen in our latest model. Now, what is the use case of this rice separating screen? Actually, rice separating screen will help your product, will help your rice to get into three forms. First one is full rice. On big screen actually you will get a full rice. On this screen you will get a half rice, and we had provided another screen as well. If you see lower below, actually here you will get a broken rice as well. Why you wanna buy a combined rice mill machine? The reason is that this combined rice mill machine is better option as compared to this combined rice mill machine. First of all, most of its body is made by a stainless steel, which will help it to protect from rusting. If we say its inclined hopper, which actually used for a rice, is made by a stainless steel, its rice mill head assembly, most of the rice mill, disc mill head assembly, is made by a stainless steel, which will protect it from rusting. Now, the other reason is that they had also provided a 20 precise adjustable node as well, where you can, control the heat system of your rice as well, and control the size of your rice as well at the same time. Now, in combined rice mill machine, if you want to buy a round hopper, we will provide you a round hopper as well. If you see that in this combined rice mill machine we had provided a round hopper, but at the same time in this combined rice mill machine we had provided a square hopper as well. Most of the body is made by stainless steel, easy to use, easy to carry from one place to another place, and we had also provided a motor, we had also provided a gasoline engine, and in our latest model actually we had also provided a diesel engine as well. Now, if we talk about this combined rice mill machine, actually it's also 3-in-1 combined rice mill machine. It has a dual function, but it can work only for to process your rice. Like if you want to process your rice, this is the best option you have right now. Why? Because in this model actually they had also provided a rice separating screen as well, and at the same time it can work on a gasoline engine and electric motor as well. If we talk about that model, actually that model is much better option as compared to this one. Why? Because in this model they haven't only provided a rice separating screen, but at the same time they had provided an impurity separator as well. What is the use case of an impurity separator? An impurity separator always help your product to get clean before arriving into the rice mill head assembly. Now, if you see that here are few impurities which are coming with the help of this vibrating screen. When you're gonna start your machine, actually this vibrating screen gonna vibrate just like that, and your paddy will go down and all the impurities will be separated into that box. So your paddy, when you put paddy inside the inclined hopper and you want to process your rice, what happen? Actually there is a chances that you have a paddy husk or a bran or even a stone or rubble inside your paddy. So before arriving into the rice mill head assembly, actually your paddy will be fully clean. When your paddy gonna be clean, it means you are getting a good rice quality, good rice production as well. In all the model of a Agro made machinery, actually we are using a flow control plate as well to control the flow of your product which you are putting inside the inclined hopper. Now let's talk about the detail because my mobile is vibrating a little bit and you might don't have a better angle. Now I'm gonna explain about Dan Agro company actually. What is Dan Agro company? For Dan Agro company actually this is not the first time they are bringing the latest model into the market. From past 31 years, in my personal view, this is enough time to stable your contacts and expand your business as well. But now we are not done yet because they have dealers in more than 33 countries and still expanding their business as well. The reason behind it just not to print money but also bring these small agriculture machines to every country, every state, every city and every county as well, because this is what we need in our surrounding. For myself and many more like me, just go back 10 or 15 years and see how we are getting rice. Okay, I will start from myself because I belong to a rural area. So after every month I had to ride a bicycle around 9.5 kilometers. Why? Because from my small town to rice milling plant distance was 9.5 kilometers. Journey won't feel difficult if the rice I am getting was in a good quality. After even a lot of trouble and with a tiredness body, whenever I return home, I have same question to myself that why and when I am getting a good rice quality. There are many people in live stream who feel the same way, not only once but many times. And that is where Dan Agro came with not only one project but more than 37 projects. If we explain their rice mill machines, what they have done with these machines. Let's start from the people who want to buy these kinds of agriculture machine for their personal use. Are they able to buy these kinds of agriculture machines in their area? Why I am asking this question? Because Dan Agro is a manufacturer company located in China. Those people who are in import business, they can easily buy these kind of agriculture machines. But what about those people actually who want to buy for their personal use, but they are unable to buy one or two pieces? Why? Now, we will start from retail service first of all. All those people who want to buy these machines for their personal use actually can add our contact information and ask us to provide them a local dealer number. You went to your neighbor's stores and asked them to provide you the model number you are looking for. But in case if they do not have these latest model, just ask them to bring these models for you. But if you are unsatisfied with their service, you can directly buy from Dan Agro company website as well, or our Alibaba store as well. Now, let's move to the people who want to import these kind of agriculture machines. Dan Agro is offering you a dealership all around the world. We not only provide quality but also provide after sales services as well, like nobody else can provide. For all the importers actually, these kind of agriculture machines to your country. For all the importers, I also have a small request as well. If there is nobody who is selling these kind of agriculture machines to your area, it's your duty to provide your farmer's friend with these small agriculture machines, because even they are unable to buy directly from us, you should help them. In return, your business will also grow rapidly and farmer's friend can get their product as well. Now, Why many people love Don Agro made machines? Because they are easy to carry, easy to use, easy to repair their parts as well whenever you want to. The most admirable quality of Don Agro made machine is that most of the machines can work on a gasoline engine, diesel engine and electric motor as well. For the people actually who do not have electricity or a stable connection, yet they can use gasoline and diesel engine as well. Each and every model in rice mill series have their own specific qualities as well, which make them unique from the other model. Let's talk about a single rice mill machine. Machines, those people who only want to get a good quality rice in short period of a time and do not want to waste their time, always choose a single rice mill machine with the capacity of 250 to 300 kilogram per hour. Same for a single or mini disc mill machine. Those people who only want to process all kinds of spices will always prefer a mini disc mill machine with the capacity of 100 to 160 kilogram per hour. Now, can use for small stores and house use as well. Now let's move to the bigger picture, which is combined rice mill machine. In combined rice mill machine, actually you are getting, Harsha, Rana, how much? Brother, we have mentioned our WhatsApp number. Just add our WhatsApp number and we will provide you price details later after we end our live stream. Thank you so much for joining our live stream, brother. Now, same for a single or mini disc mill machine. Those people who only want to process all kind of spices will always prefer a mini disc mill machine with the capacity of 100 to 160 kilogram per hour. Can use for small stores and house use as well. Now let's move to the bigger picture, which is combined rice mill machine I was talking about. In combined rice mill machine, actually in front of you, you are getting rice mill and disc mill machine as well. So for those people who want to get rice and also want to use same machine for grinding materials are most welcome to contact us. In this model, actually we will be able to get a lot of machines with different outlet look. Like in a few models, actually the inclined hopper will be square, and in few models the inclined hopper will be round, all up to our client's demand, how they want their machines actually. In all combined rice mill machines, we are offering 2 inclined hopper. For mill machines, we are offering 2 inclined hopper for more easy to use. Lower inclined hopper can be used for all kind of spices, and upper inclined hopper can be used for grinding wheat, rice and corn as well. In disc mill machine, actually we have provided different kind of sieves as well, which can vary from 0.2 millimeter to 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeter. By changing the sieve of the disc mill machine, you can get different kinds of product quality as well. It is very important to understand that all the machines manufactured by Don Agro company are easy to carry from farmhouse to home and from home to farmhouse, because they have proved their worth many times, and they have also provided the tires in all the model. Due to lightweight, one person can carry them from one place to other place. All the machine outlet is fully secured and covered with a good material as well, especially the belt area to prevent user from any kind of injuries as well. Okay, bro, thank you. You are most welcome. Super. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for joining our live stream. Guys, in front of you, you are seeing a different kind of a rice mill screen. But if you want to see how actually they work, we can do a live testing in front of our audience. Why? Because Dan Agro is a brand with a name. They told me that if anybody in a live stream want to see how actually these machines work, we can do live testing even outside. But not today, maybe tomorrow. We will see, we will do a voting, and we will see how many people want to see actually how these kind of agriculture machines actually work. Now, good thing is that, like, because Dan Agro had partners with more than 33 countries. So in more than 33 countries actually, you can even buy these kind of agriculture machines if you want to buy for a personal use and if you are not an importer. But the question is that every manufacturer company, doesn't matter even it's located in China, even it's located in the USA, or even it's located in India or South Africa, every manufacturer company look for the partners, look for the dealer. They don't provide a retail service, but Dan Agro is not like that. Dan Agro is also providing a retail service in one way. You can add our WhatsApp and WeChat number, and we will provide you a local dealer number if you want to buy for your personal use. And if you are watching our live stream from the country where there is nobody who is presenting a Dan Agro company, or you are unable to buy these kind of agriculture machines, you can come visit us. We are located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan County area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machinery. And you can buy directly from us if you are an importer. Now, the other question is that you want to buy directly from Dan Agro company, but you are unable to buy. And why you are unable to buy? Because you are watching our live stream from your country. Now, I have another solution. The other solution is that if you have a relatives, if you have a freight forwarder or a shipping agent inside the China, and you are watching our live stream out of China, and still you want to buy these kind of agriculture machines, you can buy them. You can directly contact us, provide your shipping agent address to us, and we will deliver your machines to your shipping agent inside China. And they will import, they will export these kind of agriculture machine to your home, to your destination with their goods. This is the best way to buy these kind of agriculture machine. Now let me tell you another thing. Before doing a live stream, I have spent more than 8 to 9 days reading all the comments on a Facebook page, on a YouTube page, on a TikTok page. And I have realized that there are many importers who want to buy these kind of agriculture machinery, but there are many people who want to buy for their personal use as well. Hello brother, thank you so much for joining our live stream. And there are many people who actually want to buy for their personal use as well. Like, they don't know how to import these kind of agriculture machinery. There are also few people who was saying that they only do a live stream, they only upload a video, and they never replied. Why? Because if you saw our videos on a Facebook or a TikTok, on a YouTube, there are like thousands of comments. And that's the only reason, due to shortage of time, we are unable to get back to each and every person every day. But we try our best to never let our clients disappoint in Dan Agro company, because Dan Agro company is a name of trust. This company is working only because of their dealer trust. On a Facebook, while I was doing a live stream, I was telling them, like, I have met few South African and Indian people as well who are buying these kind of agriculture machinery from Dan Agro company again and again. And actually, when I asked them why they prefer to buy again and again from Dan Agro company, they told me like their quality product always remains same. If you order once or if you order 100 times, their quality never gets changed. And that's the reason people prefer to buy from Dan Agro company. Now, people, once they visit our factory, they see how these kind of agriculture machines are actually working. After that, When they go back, they add our contact information, and now they are sitting in their own country and they just place an orders and we manufacture according to their desires. This is Jan Agro company. How much rice miller? Brother, we have different kind of a rice miller. We have a mini rice mill machine. We have a single rice mill machine, combined rice mill machine, and 2-in-1 combined rice mill machine, 3-in-1 combined rice mill machine, 4-in-1 combined rice mill machine, 5-in-1 combined rice mill machine. So the good thing is that, like, if you want to buy, you just had to add our WhatsApp number and WeChat number, and we will provide you a catalog. On catalog, we had mentioned about each and every machine in detail, how much HP it required, how much voltage it required, how much length, how much width, how much volume it has. Can it work on a gasoline engine? Can it work on electric motor? Can it work on a diesel engine? All the information we had provided in our company catalog. For one more time, Dan Agro is a manufacturer company located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan county area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machines. And we are not done yet, because these are only rice mill machine and self-suction pulverizer. We also have a shaft cutter. We also have a paddy thresher, cone thresher, multiple crop thresher, silage packing machine as well. And those people who are watching our live stream on a Facebook, you might looking for a 6 and 1000. Yes, we have 6 and 1000 as well, with with diesel engine and with electric motor as well, without elevator and with elevator as well. But if you want to know about the price, just add our WhatsApp number and send us a message on a WhatsApp, and we will provide you a price details as well. Before going any further, I'm going to tell you a little about a Dan Agro company. When Dan Agro company start making these kind of agriculture machines, Dan Agro actually start making these kind of agriculture machines in 1983. Like, it's been more than 31 years they are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machines. And they are in this business in more than 31 years. Now, when they start exporting these kind of agriculture machines, they start importing these kind of agriculture machines in 2016 or 2015. Like, they have been in export business as well from more than 6 years as well. Now, question is that, are you looking for your personal use, or do you want to import these kind of agriculture machines? Are there anybody in your country who is selling these kind of agriculture machines or not? Do you want to be the first person to come visit us in Leshan city, Sichuan province, and you want to buy these kind of agriculture machines? This is all up to our audience. This is all up to our customer demand. Now, the other good thing is that if you have a model in your mind, if you have a sketch in your mind, and you don't like the way we manufacture this kind of agriculture machinery, and you have your own model, you have your own sketch, and you want to manufacture the agriculture machines according to your own desire, according to your own needs, we can manufacture them. For importers, we can print your number plate, we can print your logo as well, we can change the machine color as well, we can print your brand name on carton box as well. But for those people who want to buy for their personal use, you don't have to worry about that. I got you. I got you. Just add our WhatsApp number. I will provide you a local dealer number. Doesn't matter where you're watching my live stream. If you want to buy for your personal use and you think that there is nobody who already contacted you, there is nobody who already replied you, there is nobody who is listening to you, just add our WhatsApp number and I will help you. I will help you. I help those people who want to buy for their personal use. But for importer, it is easy task. Why? Because importers know already how to contact with a supplier. But the question is, for my innocent audience who want to buy for their personal use. Is there anybody who had any kind of question about these machines? Let me know. And then we will move forward. We also had our own live stream as well. This is not our live stream actually. I just came here because it was a weekend, and you know factory area are always noisy. So I thought just let our Facebook audience know that there is somebody who got them, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. If you have any question, if you have any inquiry, if you even don't want to buy and you just want to ask about the price, if you want to know about the specification, you are most welcome. Is there anybody who had any question? Should we move forward? Okay, now let's move forward. Why rice mill machine? Because rice is the most important staple food of people in daily life. It is the main rice by rice mill made after matching and processing of various processes of finished product as well. Now, rice mill machines can not only remove the husk of paddy, and at the same time it also can improve the quality of rice product, improve the nutritional value of rice itself. So in rice milling machine, what effect does rice mill machines have? At present actually, with the continuous improvement of people living quality, rice milling machine enterprises become scale development, collectivized development. People begin to pay attention to the comprehensive utilization of rice resources and product quality. Brand benefits only in this way can promote the better development of the industry and product structure adjustment as well. Large-scale rice milling machines brought by Agro industry in the process of adjustment should also devote a great deal of money to buy a better rice mill machinery equipment, ensuring that in the process of rice at the same time also can improve the quality of white rice to yield and high quality of rice, which can be more welcomed by the pupil. Now, rice milling machines play an important role in rice processing industry as well. How? Rice is our human main meal in our daily life, especially in foreign countries. However, in recent years, everybody knows that rice milling machine industry faces depression affected by global economic crisis. Rice milling machines in China and foreign countries as well strikes the market, bringing big economic pressure to rice milling machine supplier. Faced with the depressive market, rice milling machine supplier should improve scientific technology to realize rice milling machines industry development. Rice milling machines should reduce energy consumption at maximum by bringing in advanced machinery, enhancing. Automatic rice mill machine is a brand new type mini rice milling machine. It's designed for every family to eat healthy and insured rice. It is quite small in volume, so it's easy to move from one place to another place. The most important thing is that rice milling equipment is convenient for customer to use at home. A small scale mini rice and combined rice mill that needs little space to be operational and can also be easily transported from village to village when necessarily, and operated on basic electricity, has been successfully innovated by Agro company as well. Now, during natural climates, such as heavy rain, heat or flooding, the advantage of this agriculture device brought the citizens of rural people different benefits. The village's main and commodity in the rural village of many countries is paddy. No doubt that. There is no doubt that. Because Don Agro Company to provides farmers in rural areas with the affordable alternatives. The breakthrough has had a tremendous effect on farmers and has been of greater interest to women in rural areas as well. We have mentioned below some of the possible results of the mini and combined rice mill machines made by Don Agro Company. And first of all is saves time. How it's gonna save a plenty of time. Women have trouble working both at home and going to the rice mills to have their goods proceed. Mini and combined rice mill machines made by Don Agro not going to have waste time driving, and they are not going to have to bring their big rice bags to conserve electricity. Through their family, they will spend this saves time, maintaining food security as well. Don Agro ensures food supply to villages and provides food protection by crushing rice at any season or weather situation on their doorsteps. Efficient operation. Without any complicated technological expertise, mini and combined rice mill machines are produced with local capital and can be run quickly. Farmers brother often lack education in rural areas because of inadequate knowledge, and this tool will empower farmers all around the world. Women can run this machinery quickly and process their products. Would save agriculture field as well. A mini and combined rice mill saves agriculture land because no permanent area is needed to be constructed. The protection of agriculture land should be a top priority for the continuity of expanded food production for an increasing number of people as well. Inexpensive. The production of a mini and combined rice mill is actually less costly than that of conventional rice mill manufactured from abroad. The farmers can easily buy it jointly for their village because of its limited size and development locally in China. It also provides farmers with lower rental rates, which is a great support particularly for female farmers. Able to earn. It has saved hundreds of farmers' time and money. Farmers were able to sell their clean rice at lower price. This also significantly raised farmers' income and enabled them by self-employment to gain a family livelihood as well. All the machines made by Don Agro Company are reliable, easy to carry from one place to another place because they had provided tires in all models. Even it's a shaft cutter or paddy machine, or even it's a high capacity flour mill machine as well. The other best part about these machines is that they can work on both gasoline engine and electric motor as well. People who had a voltage shortage in their area can use gasoline engine as well. Same, if you are using this machine at home, you can use it even on electricity as well. If you have any question, please let me know. Before, I'm going to show you a few videos of Don Agro Company. You might be looking for a 6 and 1000, and I'm going to show you that. Before that, going to 6 and 1000 actually, have a look. This is what we call a 6 and 1000. This is also a 6 and 1000 with a diesel engine. And why we put impurities inside it, I will explain later. You will see all the impurities have been separated. Now, we are not done yet because I am going to show you a self-suction pulverizer which Dan Agro bringing the latest model. Just look at this. This is what we call a self-suction pulverizer. It has the capacity of 2000 to 2500 kilogram in 1 hour. Here we also have a 6 and 1000 but with electric motor, not with a diesel engine. Now we have a 6 and 2023G which can work on a gasoline engine. This is also a rice mill machine. These all machines are made by a Dan Agro company. Now, I was telling my audience that why they get a broken rice. There is not even a single machine actually where you will get a full rice all the time. Like it's gonna be few of the broken rice. And why do you get a broken rice? Because when you put a paddy inside the incline hopper, doesn't matter if it's a single rice mill machine or a combined rice mill machine. When your paddy is not fully dried and it's in the wet form, you might can get a broken rice. But if you want to avoid that, like if you want to get a good quality rice in a short period of a time, make sure that when you put your paddy inside the incline hopper, the paddy must be in a dried form. If your paddy is fully dried, you will get 80 to 85% of a rice in a full form. And there will be a less broken rice. Now, let's talk about why they provided a vibrating screens in different model. This is what we call a rice separating screen as well. When you are getting your rice and your rice are into, some rice are in full form, some are broken and some are half. When actually you're gonna start your machine, this screen gonna move just like that. And all of the rice which are in a full length, they will get here. And the broken rice you will get on that screen. And sorry, the half rice and the broken rice, they had provided a third screen downside. All the broken rice you will get there. The reason is that few people only want a full rice. Few people only wants a broken rice. There are few people who only want a half rice. There are also few people who want a brown rice. If you are looking for a machine which can get a broken rice, we have a different models. In our rice mill series, we have a different models where you can get a brown rice as well if you are not looking for a machine where you will get a full shining rice. This is a combined rice mill machine, new design in front of you. In this model, they had provided a universal tire as well. They had provided a 3 incline hopper as well. Most of the machine body is made by a stainless steel, which can avoid it from rusting as well. And when I said that you can use these kind of a agriculture machine at your farmhouse, at your livestock farmhouse, at your home as well, or even in your street area as well. How? Because they had provided universal wheel, and these machines are less in weight, and the quality actually they are using is impressive. You will never see that kind of a quality machine which are cheaper, which are easy to carry, which can work on motor as well, which can work on a gasoline engine as well, which can work on a diesel engine as well. All the machine is fully covered. All the machine is fully covered. When you're going to use this kind of agriculture machine, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about to get injured. You just had to provide them electricity if you are using electric motor. But if you are using a gasoline engine, just provide it a petrol and it will work. And the other good thing is that, like in combined rice mill machine, you are only not processing your rice, but at the same time, they had provided a flour mill machine with that. So with the help of the flour mill machine, you can crush wheat, corn, rice, soya beans, all kind of spices as well. They had provided 2 incline hopper for a flour mill machine and 1 incline hopper for a rice mill machine as well. Most of this combined rice mill machine body is made by a stainless steel, which makes it more durable and look perfect. If you have any question now, please let me know in our comment section. Those people who are interested to buy these kind of agriculture machine for their personal use, or those people even who want to import these kind of, put the prices. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why we don't mention prices actually. Because if you want to know the price of this new design, we are providing 2 kinds of motor. 3 HP motor, 3.5 HP motor. This machine can also work on a gasoline engine. There are 3 things, and that's the reason we don't provide a price. And the other reason is that some people want to buy from direct from our factory. Some people want us to send these products to their warehouse inside China. So that's the only reason we don't provide a price on when we upload the videos or when we do a live stream. And that's the only reason we had provided our number. Let me know if you had added our WhatsApp number and we never provide you a price. Any other questions, sir? Is there any other body who had any question? Please let me know. Without price, is there anybody who want to have any other question? Please let me know. Price we only don't mention because we had provided 2 kinds of electric motor as well, and we had also provided a gasoline engine and diesel engine as well in this model. That's the only reason we don't provide a price, so that people don't get confused. Like if we provide the price when we upload the videos, and the video we upload on every social media platform is just to let people know that how these agriculture machines actually work. That's the only reason we upload the videos. Like those people who want to buy, people can see that like what kind of convenience these kind of agriculture machines can bring in their life. That's why we upload the videos. I have already told you these are not the only machines which Agro is manufacturing. Dan Agro is also manufacturing all kind of a shaft cutter with highest capacity and with lowest capacity as well, which can work on electric motor as well. Few models can work on gasoline engine as well, and few model can also work on a diesel engine as well. The latest model actually we are bringing into the market has the highest capacity of 15 ton. Like in 1 hour you can get a 15 ton of shredder or shaft in our latest model. We will do a live streaming as well and live testing as well in upcoming week, so people don't have any kind of a confusion. And self-suction pulverizer, I have already shown you the video. That self-suction pulverizer had a capacity of 2000 kilogram to 2500 kilogram in 1 hour. These all model have a different kind of a voltage requirement. These all model have a different kind of HP. They are not same in size, they are not same in weight. Few can work on a gasoline engine as well. All of them can work on a motor, electric motor as well. If you have a good electricity connection. Allah, thank you so much for joining our live stream, brother. If you have a good voltage connection, you should always prefer to use electric motor. But if you are living in a county area or a place where you don't have a good voltage connection or you don't even have electricity, you must use a gasoline engine. All the machines Dan Agro is manufacturing actually, we are making our own electric motor as well, and we are also making our own diesel engine as well. All the products made by Dan Agro company, we are using our own motors, we are using our own diesel engine, our own gasoline engine as well. Dan Agro is a certified company actually. Here you can see that all of these actually certificates are written in Chinese and not in English. Few are the motor certificate, few of them are actually gasoline engine certificate, few of them few companies and other enterprises certificate as well, but all of them are actually in Chinese. You might don't understand that. We can get a copy in English as well soon, so that we can show you that you can see by yourself like what is Dan Agro is capable of. Dan Agro with a dream of bringing these kind of agriculture machinery to each and every home. Why? Because they are easy to carry, easy to use. One person can easily use them. You don't need a labor to operate this kind of agriculture machinery. If this kind of agriculture machine can work in your house and you can get a good rice quality in a short period of a time, you don't have need to buy a big milling plants as well. If this kind of agriculture machine can bring a lot of convenience and comfort into our farmers' friend life, you are most welcome to contact us. Already provided our WhatsApp number, our WhatsApp and WeChat number, because we are a manufacturer company located in China. So of course we are using a WeChat as well. If you need if you want to get a good response, you can get on WeChat and WhatsApp as well. Our WhatsApp number is +86 1529 80 11211. I'm gonna write one more time. +86 1529 8 +86 1529 80 11211. If you want to buy these agriculture machine even for your personal use, you can add our WhatsApp number, and after adding WhatsApp number you can talk to me directly. You can call me even, and you can even, first of all you have to ask me about a catalog. I will provide you a catalog. After providing you a catalog, you can look on all of the machines made by Dan Agro company. Then you can decide which kind of model do you want to buy. After selecting a model, you can ask about the price as well, and The good thing is that actually if you want to buy for yourself but you don't want to buy from your local dealer, of course you can buy directly from us, but you must have a shipping agent inside China. Shipping agent will help you buy these kind of agriculture machines. We will provide these agriculture machines, send them to your shipping agent warehouse inside China, and they will deliver to your country as well. Any other question? Any other question? Any brother who had any kind of other question, please let me know. There is only one thing I cannot mention, and that is price, and I already have told you the reason, because we all of the machines have different price. In all machines we are using two kind of motor, 3 HP motor, 3.5 HP motor. Few machines can work on gasoline engine, few can work on diesel engine as well. That's the only reason we don't mention price. If you had any other question, please let me know in a comment section. We can get a 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you can shoot. You can ask any kind of a question. Today we have discussed about a rice mill machine. In upcoming videos, I will also show you a shaft cutter. I will also show you a 6 and 1000, because I know many people are so curious about 6 and 1000. Because when we upload the video on a YouTube, people have a lot of inquiry, how to buy, where to buy, is there anybody in their country who is already importing these kind of agriculture machinery or not. We will answer all of your questions in upcoming stream. Okay guys, see you in the next stream. Until then, goodbye, bye-bye.